it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and today we are going to continue our large family house tour, and we're going to show you guys the girls' bedroom. And I have Audrey and Ava here to give us a tour of their bedroom. So let's get started.
Bedroom. It's a unicorn bedroom. I can't wait to show you guys, so let's get started. This is my doll house, where I like to play with dolls. These are my two dolls.
Rapunzel's hair is crazy!
Then this is my sister's Now I'm Mimi. Did my Vian picture.
Yeah, this
Even
is.
she says that.
Yeah, this is Ava's dresser, right?
Right, and some of my stuff is crowded on it.
Yeah, you got a few things on it.
And then there's my Now I'm Mimi one. Then there's me as a baby.
Yeah, we need to put one of Ava over here.
And then there's my little flowers. And then here's where I like to put my little collectibles. I call that the Nacho Family. And then this is a balloon. It's a poodle. I like poodles. This is from when I was a little girl. We keep it. And then this is my piggy bank.
Yeah, you got Cheetos on your face.
And then here we have I just like to put little things in here that I don't want her messing with. I got this for my Mimi and Poppy.
It's a sea star.
It's real. And then here's a little carrot.
That's from Hobby Lobby. That's super cute, huh?
It really is.
And then what do we have on the top there?
We have a picture of me and Daddy from Daddy Daughter Date Night, and the doll that you had when you were little, and a little China teacup. And Ava's piggy.
Yeah, there's Ava's piggy bank. Now, I want to mention really quickly that this bedroom set actually came from my grandparents. They gave it to Audrey. Yeah. And it's really gorgeous. I love it.
Now time for my dress.
Okay, now we're going to look at Audrey's dresser.
So this is a little, bouquet that I got from my Nana. And then this is for my Nana too. I like to have it because, watch. Let me show you. No, wrong way. Wait, that's you. One, two, three. That's you.
Isn't that cute?
It really is. I'll put it down when it's done playing. That's you. That's where it usually stops. And this is an angel and apparently lost a leg.
Yeah, its leg broke.
And then here's a little thing that I like to put, you know, this stuff in.
Jewelry.
And then this was for my Nana too. I have to take real good care of it. It's a ballerina.
Pretty jewelry box, huh?
And it also plays music, but I don't want to play it right now.
Okay, that's okay.
And then there's this. Oh, that mirror moves. And there's this, and we have some tattoos for my doll and the necklace. And then we have a little picture of Aurora.
Mm-hmm.
Here is a puppet show. I like to play with that. And this is a picture from when I was a baby. And here's my bed and my sister's bed and my window.
Yeah, what's in your window?
A unicorn stained glass.
Who made that?
Poppy.
Yeah. My dad made that for my mom when she was 16 years old. And now Audrey and Ava have it. There's some little pom-poms up there above Ava's toddler bed. So Ava has a toddler bed right now and Audrey has the big bed. And here's Audrey's shelf. Her Aunt Abby and Cousin Aaliyah made her Audrey banner, and then she has a name plaque with ballet shoes because she does dance. And that unicorn head came from Hobby Lobby. Ava also has a banner over there with her name on it. The wreath is a Rapunzel wreath that I made for Audrey's 6th birthday, I think. And yeah, she has some pillows. Isn't that cute? That came from Walmart. Her bedding came from Kohl's, I think. And then Ava's got some pretty toddler bedding, and I'm not quite sure where that came from, but she likes it nonetheless.
And
Over
then
here.
here is my dresser.
Yep.
Here's my alarm clock. It, you know, doesn't have the right time on it.
No, we need to
But
fix that.
watch.
Yeah, it plays Cinderella music, huh? And this over here is a Rapunzel tower that I also made for Audrey's 6th birthday. Up here we have a special picture
And my mom.
that my grandmother made. I'm the top baby, Audrey's the bottom baby, and we're wearing the same dress. This picture came from Hobby Lobby, and this is a big giant bear that Audrey's daddy gave to her.
For Valentine's.
Yeah. Over here we have some more unicorns.
This one wants. Watch it.
Yeah, that one's pretty cute. Oop, he fell down, or she fell down. There it goes.
Let's go back. And then here is my closet.
Finally, we have the closet that the two girls share.
Here it is.
It's
We
kind of-
have stuffed animals.
Yeah, she's got more toys in here.
And then toys and toys. Then we have a toy box.
Yeah, there's the toy box. Lots of stuffed animals.
And then we have this.
Yeah, we have our
My
bows
Aunt
in
Abby
here.
made this, and then we just have, and then she gave me some bows, and some is mine.
Yeah. So here is Ava's clothes on one
And
side.
watch this. This is where I like to put my dance shoes.
Yeah, all your dance shoes are in there. Audrey's clothes are on this side, and we are due for a closet clean out sometime soon.
And then I have an Easy Baker oven and Unis, and a sewing box, and a Peter Rabbit tea set, and then some Barbies.
And an extra bedding. So yeah, she has her own sewing machine, and that Peter Rabbit tea set is adorable, but it's breakable, so that's why it's up there. And her Easy Bake oven. And that's it, I think, for the room tour. What do you have to say, Audrey? Give us
Thanks for watching, and give us a thumbs up if you like this video.
And don't forget to subscribe for more large family living, homeschooling videos, and things like that. And we will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!
Bye!